What's up, you guys? Charlie here with another video. Today, we'll be clearing out these weeds over here and getting all this brush cleaned out. This, I don't know what else to say, but hey, I hope you guys are having an awesome video like today. I hope you guys are having an awesome day today, and I'll go from there. I'll put this back over there to the fire pit. Put these leaves in the fire pit, so I'll eventually have a fire. I have no wind yet, but other than that, I don't know what else to say, but I gotta water these gardens soon, and figure out the way on how I'm gonna crack the garden drainage. I don't know. I may just end up clearing all these weeds today. I got the weeds in here. Other than that, I hope you guys are doing good.